Okay, let's start in our third and last session. Variables. What is variable? In Python, in any programming language, there are some variables. There are some variables. Why we need variables? Suppose a requirement,
Store.
yes, a requirement come in suppose requirement is hey Python remember or memorize the value, memorize my A's, or remember my A's. Do not forget my A's. What is A's? What is your A's? Suppose I'm asking one employee, hey, what is your A's? He said 35.
And
My A's is 35. Now, now I'm guessing that Python understand what is 35, and as because it is I'm writing my age is 35, Python is guessing that I'm guessing Python will memorize it. But if I write down again after a while, if I ask Python or if I ask my device, sorry, my machine, what is called the laptop or
computer.
desktop, if I ask what is my age or print my age, or suppose print my age, then Python cannot print it or device cannot print it, because device is nothing but a dumb electronic device, dumb electronic device, unless until we give the device intellect. So every device in this world, it is nothing but a IC, few cables, few batteries, semiconductors. These combinations of these, it's a fully dumb thing. It doesn't have any memory. It doesn't have any. It has memory, but it cannot use its memory by its own. How it is used? Because a person like you give it memory to memorize. It has memory, but it doesn't know how to use it. So now, how I can memorize a value to that machine? This way. So every machine has values. Every machine has memories. Suppose this is my desktop computer, and this is the box, and this is the power, and this is the big casing. Or consider your laptop computer, which is this one, same thing. Desktop and laptop are same thing, but small and large, that's the term is. But if we open the box, then what we'll see? Let's open the desktop because it is bigger, so that we can see it more than the laptop, what it has inside. If we open the box, then we'll see a big circuit board, which is called motherboard, and a cooling fan here, which is under of this cooling fan, it is CPU, central processing unit, and this, two 6-inch or 7-inch size RAM, 2 or 4 RAM, and one SSD hard drive or HDD hard drive. That's it. So every computer has central processing unit, CPU, which process the data, and RAM, which store the data temporarily, and HDD or SSD, solid state drive, which stores data permanently. Suppose we have a spreadsheet, Microsoft Word, we have a calculations, and we calculate 2 plus 5, that equals to 7. We are calculating, but we are not saving it. Then while we are writing this file, it will store into the RAM, and all of a sudden, if power out, if the electricity gone, then this file will be removed from the computer because it stores only in the RAM. RAM is a storage of temporary things. It is not permanent. What is permanent? Permanent is once we save this file in a hard drive, SSD drive, then it will store the file permanently into the SSD. So once computer is shut down and it open after a month or year, then we can see the file, we can retrieve the file, open the file from the hard drive because it is saved permanently, right? So these three components are very essential in programming side also. In programming side, so 2 plus 5, RAM can only store the data, 2 plus and 5, these three data. And to calculate this data, RAM can only store 2 plus 5, only store. To calculate it, RAM send this data to CPU. And CPU cannot store anything, but it can calculate. So CPU calculate it and find out the result, and its output will be the result. So output will be transferred to RAM. So RAM will save the output. If a programmer want to save these calculations permanently, then RAM send it to the hard drive, and hard drive save it permanently. So now, if I want to, if I want my device should remember my age or any employee age, then I should use the RAM. How I can use the RAM? So in the RAM, you see, if I open the task manager, we'll see the RAM here. This is my RAM, memory. RAM means memory. So, okay, let me write it here, memory instead of RAM. Memory. Memory means where data is stored temporarily. You see, this is the RAM. So RAM, I have total capacity of RAM is, my RAM is used 12 GB and it has 29 GB. So, okay, it may be 16 GB, right? Oh, yeah, it has 16 GB and 3.4 GB is available. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it in so that it will be easier for me to make you understand. So this is the RAM, and this is the total area which is used by the applications, and this is the available area which has not been used by the applications. So once the computer is started, then whole RAM was initially whole RAM was empty. Then right after that, it opened the Windows and occupy this area, and it opened Microsoft Word, it occupied the next area, and it occupy this, till up to this point when our computer executed the operating system executed totally, and we open several applications, so it blocks on use some of the areas of the RAM. And some part of the RAM will be still available. So my program, Python program, will use these empty spaces of the RAM to store some data like employees data, employee A's, or any data. So let we vertically move. So we are considering this blank empty space. So I mean this space. Okay. In our course, we are considering this RAM very much. Okay. So we are considering the topmost, the freemost part of the RAM. So we do not need this used part. So I'm going to delete this one. So this is our RAM. Okay. So this is our RAM. Whenever we have a lecture on RAM, then we will consider this RAM. And in Python, if we want our machine need to memorize anything, then we need to write in the RAM. Suppose what is the employee age is 35. Okay, we need to write in the RAM. So this is employee 1 age, but we have many employees, employee 2, employee 3, employee 3. If it is a one box, then we need to save 5 employees age, 23, 35, 41, 61, and 19. These 5 employees A's, and suppose this one employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4, employee 5, right? So if we write it down in not in organized way, suppose 23 is here, 35 is here, and 41 is here, and 19 is here, and 61 is here. So there are 5 employees. If I asked RAM, hey RAM, give me third employee's age, then how RAM can figure it out? Oh, I forget which one is third. Can you tell me the exact number of that employee age? Exact age? But user can say, no, I cannot tell because I know it is a Bob's age. This age is Bob's age. Only this one I know, but I cannot say the employee. What is the value of the age? So if RAM organized the number in this way, then it will never can be retrieved by machine or Python. So there must be a standard mechanism to write values into the RAM. How we write the values into the RAM? If we consider this one as a RAM, and if we want to save 35 in it, then we need to create a box and name that box. Suppose we want to save into the RAM 35. Then before that, create the box first and name the box with any name. Suppose it is a A's, okay? So A's, I name it as A's, right? And then, so in the Python code, so this is our Python code, okay? In the Python code, we are writing here A's, okay? Once we write the A's, then RAM will create the box automatically. And we want to save here 35. Where? In the A's. So I'm going to tell Python, hey Python, save this 35 value to the A's. Where is the A's? A's is here in the RAM. Okay. So Python will go to the RAM and find the box. Python has many box. You see in the used part, Python has billions of box are there. All the box are used by other applications, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, all other applications. Billion, trillion boxes are there. We are not considering their box. We are considering our box because 35 is stored in our box, which is created here in Python. So if I tell Python save 35 to A's, then Python will go to that box and save 35, write down 35 here into that box, only the box which name is A's. But how Python know that 35 A's space 35, that means it will go to 35 and that means it will go to A's and store it. How Python know? How Python know? By using this
Sign.
equal sign or operator. This is actually not the equal sign. In Python, equal sign is this. Whenever we write double equal, then it is called equal sign. We'll learn it later, but now just memorize it. This is called equal sign, but this is called assignment sign. Assignment sign. This is called assignment sign. This is called assignment sign. What it does, it stores its right side value to the left side box. Simple. Whenever we see A's assigns 35, that means assignment sign stores or save or stores its right side value to the left side box. Here sign is called assignment sign. Why it is assignment sign? Because it stores right side value, which is 35, to the left side box, which is A's. What is the box? Box name is A's. So box value varies time to time. Suppose we in second line we assign another number 23 in the same box. Then what does it mean? This is called assignment operator, assignment sign or assignment operator, assignment sign or operator. I mean assignment operator. So we'll not say it is a sign, it is operator, but it is sign. Of course it is sign, but it is assignment operator. This is more appropriate. So assignment operator. So what assignment operator does? Assignment operator stores its right side value to the left side box. So whenever Python got this instruction, Python will run to the RAM. Hey RAM, where is your A's? RAM said yes, here my A's box is here. Then it carries 23 with it and store in this box. But whenever it stores second value, the first value will be completely erased and lost. It will gone forever, and the new value will be stored here. So 35 will be gone here. So new value, which is 23, will be stored here. So please remember, whenever a second value, the next value come, then previous value will be completely gone and the current value will store. So let's memorize this. Let's memorize this in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Please memorize. Please memorize this. Here, this sign is called assignment operator. And assignment operator, what it does, whenever we see any assignment operator, is assignment operator 30, then what it does, it will stores the right side value to the left side box. Whatever it has in the right side, it will go to the store or save or move to the left side, right? Move to the left side box. And these box values, time to time it change as per our requirement. And now I'm going to assign another value to that box. So 19. That means, what does it mean? Please recall from your mind whatever you memorize in last 2 minutes. So 19 will store,
19 replaces 23 if it goes into the same box.
yes, and it will go all the way to the age box and remove the previous value completely and replace the new value in it. So in one box, only one value can be stored. Only one value can be stored in one box. So we see this box values varies. This box values varies time to time. So this box is nothing but a variable. It varies the values time to time as per our requirement. So this box value is not fixed. It varies. So whatever varies, we can say it variable. That's why computer scientists, they name this box value as a variable. So this box name is age. So the variable name is age. So here age is 30. So here age is called a variable. So assignment operator, this assignment operator assigns value 30 to the variable, to the box. So we are no longer address it as a box. So we are naming, we will call it as a variable from now on. So to the variable which named is age. So this is more correct as per the programming side. So let's memorize this in 2 minutes. So this means here age is called a variable. Fine, it's done. Memorize it. So this operator, this sign, assignment operator, assigns value 30 to the variable which name is age. So this kind of statements you will see if you write 1000 statements after 1 month, then this kind of statements you will see 30%, more than 30% statements, your statement will be like this. Instead of age, you will have employee ID. Instead of age, you will have employee name. Instead of 30, you will have Kamal. Instead of 30, you have David. Instead of age, you will have phone. Instead of 30, you will have 917-257, something like that. So your 30% statements in computer science, in programming language will be this. If you understand this, then you will understand 30% of your code, of any code, any developer's code. So this thing is very important, this topic. So please repeat this recording again and again and make notes by using your colorful multi-color pen and by using a notebook. So this will be your the best-selling book in terms of you, right? And arrange this kind of setup at your home so that why it is important, I forget to tell before. It is important because if you use only one single laptop, then if you want to write something while I am showing something, then you need to minimize my zoom and write something. And whenever you minimize my zoom, then you miss I mean a lot of things. So it will distract your attentions, and it will not be easy for you to get everything in one class. So that's why it is so important and it is must. Please arrange these settings, and every class before the every class, please arrange this one. And please buy this one. An external keyboard and mouse is very important. So we have finished the fundamental concept of variable. So please memorize this, and if you have any questions, then please raise it up now or raise it in the groups so that we can answer and other persons can see what are the questions. It might be their questions, so they can be benefited. Okay, so please raise into the groups, WhatsApp group. So if anyone has any issues in installations or any kind of things, then please let us know into the group or me. Better into the group, because lots of, I mean, 2-3 assistant teachers are there, so they can help you or I can help you.
Yes, brother, but we are unable to, comment on the groups. It's like admins only.
Admin.
Oh, comment me in the chat.
Mm,
Yes, we are unable to, chat in the group.
Not sure. Let me check. I didn't.
yeah, you didn't share the your other
We're
assistant.
talking about WhatsApp group, then we can't reply in there unless we have a Google Classroom group, then we don't know about it.
Oh, I mean, in the WhatsApp group, you cannot comment?
No.
No, that's admin only.
Oh, let me check. No, it should not. Maybe someone change it, but I can change it right away because everyone is commenting. You see the previously. So let me check how I can change it. Okay, let me close the.
I think we are talking about the same group, the IT